here at an undisclosed location. This is secret bat cave of the Studebaker Black Beast here. And as I like to do once in a while when I have cars in storage, I like to start them up, get them warmed up. And this is the first time we've been warming this up since, I don't know, probably the winter, December. So it's been a couple of months anyway. Let's have a look around. Give it a bit of choke. Turn the choke off a little bit now, probably. Okay, there. That's about right. Push the choke in. Yeah, that's good. What's the temperature doing? Oh, it's still low. I have an extra fan switch here, so when you're actually driving around in the summer, you really need this extra fan on, otherwise you'll overheat. But I want it to warm up right now, so I'm not going to use that. So yeah, it looks like it's percolating on around I don't know, 700 or 800 RPM. That's exactly right. Voltage is good. We got a full tank. It's all good. Because there are some other people around here, so just out of respect, I like to wear a mask. It's the way it goes these days with COVID-19. I just want to show you this. This door is a project for me. I was driving along one day and suddenly I heard this cracking sound. The window was down actually, and it's got some cracks in it, so there must have been some stress on the frame. So I'm going to take the door apart and take the glass out, get a new piece cut, and get it tinted the same way, so it's all good again. That's basically one of the projects I got to do. It's not too difficult. Okay, we got this part out, this frame out. That's good. I'll take the door skin off next. There we go. All right, there's the little power window controller. And now we got to get our glass out. Well, I am no expert in this kind of glass job in a 1929 car, so having a good look at it as I have now, I'm not really sure how to take the glass out. I may have to get some help, take it to a shop if necessary, but on we go. I'll let you know how it goes pretty soon. Well, guys, as always, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you're all staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis. I know it's really been hard to be staying home and not meeting your friends and family and working for a lot of us and all that. So keep it up. Keep doing the good work that you know you need to do, the home isolation. We actually have, if you look behind me, you can see our West Coast Supercars and Classics Porsche Panamera, but we also now have the sticker that you can see right there, which is our Cars for COVID sticker. And I'll show you that in a second. But the Cars for COVID sticker is part of our initiative. A bunch of guys and I got together. We've created this initiative where we do cruises in support of our healthcare workers. And where's the camera anyway? It's up there, isn't it? In support of our healthcare workers and our first responders. And we're raising money for COVID-19 research. Because we're in Canada and we're on the West Coast, we're doing it through the VGH Foundation. That's the Vancouver General Hospital Foundation. And we've raised a bunch of money so far. But we are totally interested in expanding the concept elsewhere. And we've got lots of people who are interested in having it done in other places. And we are selling those Cars for COVID stickers for $5 a piece right now. So get in touch with me if you want to know more about getting it into your city. And we'll talk about some of the charities that you might want to focus on in your local area, plus the COVID-19 research that we're doing as well. So we're totally open to suggestions. Yeah, so let's just get back on the road, stay safe, and keep having fun as much as we can while doing our social distancing and not annoying people when we're out on the road at our cruises. So yeah, note to everybody who's coming out to these cruises, we really need you to stay right in your car. If you have to get out, just stay by your car. Don't start going around and like forming groups and stuff like that. It's just not what this is about. We want to do this right. We want to do it safely. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to continue doing these events. But there's going to be some other videos coming out on my channel which show you some of the events that we've done. But until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks.